You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to hide notifications on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. In the Notifications menu, tap on Lock Screen Notifications. Here you will see different options for how notifications appear. To hide them completely, tap the option that says Hide Content or Don't Show Notifications. Selecting this will mean that when your phone is locked, you will only see icons for which apps have notifications, but no message previews or details will be visible. To make notifications completely invisible, choose the Don't Show Notifications option. This will hide even the app icons from your lock screen. You can also customize this for individual apps. Go back to the main notifications menu, tap App Notifications, select a specific app, and then tap Lock Screen to choose whether to show or hide alerts from that app only. This gives you fine control over your privacy. Your settings are saved automatically. Now when you lock your phone, your notifications will be hidden as you selected. For more simple Samsung tutorials, subscribe to the channel.